That is amazingness.
Hey, you guys want to?
No, did you hear what me and Alejandro
You
just
guys want to
did?
hear a funny story? You guys want to hear? You guys want to hear a funny story about fat people?
All right. You take a picture of it?
Okay, I don't even know if I should be saying this. It's pretty funny. Okay, so.
No!
Okay, so I went to Penticton in the weekend, and we get to the campsite, and there's this guys from Squamish. They're like playing football, like we're gonna go get drunk, like like and I'm like, awesome, whatever, right? And they're like, dude, we got this competition going on. I'm like, yeah. They're like, right. It's like, well, whoever fucks the fattest chick gets $40. I'm like, what? They're like, yeah, we're going for the fattest chick tonight. And you get $40. I'm like, you guys are fucked, right? So anyways, I meet him later. Daniel,
You're like, yeah, that's cool.
yeah, well, of course, that's fucking awesome. I'm not smoking. And later on in the night, we run into them and like, so how's the fat chick hunt going? And they're like, oh, not too bad, but we still haven't found any whales. That's what we're looking for. So, and anyways, apparently at the end of the night, two guys ended up finding two like huge chicks, and they were like giving them blowjobs on the beach. And some random dude walked by, and he's like, sweet blowjob. They took his pants off and all had a big orgy.
Nice story.
What a random.
They're telling me this the next morning. I'm just like, what the fuck?
What is going on in your head, man?
Lordy.
What is your nature malfunction?
And they're like, and last year, whoever lost had it bad because he was like boning some like 300-pound girl, but realized that his buddy was boning a 350-pound one, so he lost the money and had to hook up with the 300-pound girl.
Your logic is astounding.
Are you filming?
No.
Okay. That's just funny. Eh?